What's going on, everyone? My name is JP. This is my wife Jordana and our kids Aurelia and Odin. Back on our 6th wedding anniversary, we decided we wanted to buy an RV and see the country. Fast forward to March of 2021, we sold our house, ditched all our stuff, and hit the road for what we hope will be a journey filled with a lifetime of memories. We hope you will join us on this journey as we wander to get lost.
Alright, what's going on, everybody? So today's little project, I am redoing our water cabinet, I guess mounting faceplate. That was those guys over there. So basically what I did was I took them, put them on here, traced. This is where the two pieces were screwed together, so I'm probably going to do that just so it makes it easier to get in. I have this radius cuts to do, but I am going to cut this in half, cut this out, and then I'll use my grinder to kind of finish the edges here. And then having this blank piece, I'll be able to now put my mount for my water inlet and then my two manifolds, and then once I get that in there, I'll be able to determine how I'm going to run the pipes off the manifold into the RV. So that's today's little project. We got to get moving because we're running out of time. All right, a couple more cuts. So here's the right side, here's the left side. I'm gonna put a couple of 1, 2, and 3 tabs behind that I'll then tap into with sheet metal screws to kind of join these together after I clean up the edges. It was easier just to square these off, and then I'll round off down here, and I'll round off down here, and I'll probably round off down here, and then I just got to smooth out these edges. Obviously, just because we don't want to get cut. This is 1/8 inch thick aluminum, so unlike this little steel that they had, which rusted and peeled, once I paint this, if it does scratch or anything like that, it's not going to rust. So I'm just going to have to get this all set up, get it mounted into the water closet, then I'll be able to figure out where I'm going to drill my hole from my access water line or the water inlet, and then position my two manifolds. The one thing that I'm doing is I won't need this tank fill anymore because that'll be controlled by the manifold. I took out our cable connection and the telephone connection, don't need that. And I took out this light because I'm going to run the light and mount it underneath the panel door, so when you open the door, the light will shine down as opposed to in your face from this. I also got rid of the water pump switch and the auto level switch that was on here. Never going to use it out here. So if we're going to use the water pump, I'm going to turn it on from inside the coach. I can just, if I ever have to, I can always cut this out and put it back, but yeah, that's for later if I want to decide to put that back. And then the other thing is, on this half was the outdoor shower right here. I'm taking that out of here, and the outdoor shower is going to be moved to a new spot, and that'll be in its own little video eventually. I'm not worrying about that right now because we're not going to need an outdoor shower. It's October, or it's September, so I'm not worried about that. So that I can do over the winter when we're possibly down in Florida. All right, so this is the old ones. These are going to be going bye-bye. You can see that they actually did a 90-degree bend here and then screwed up. All I'm going to do is just go to Home Depot and get some 90-degree mounting tabs and just sheet metal screw into my aluminum, and then I'll be able to drill up into the mounting holes. So pretty simple. I just had to get an aluminum blade, and this is a Diablo, so it cuts aluminum, and it cut through this aluminum like butter. So I'm just going to do some work, clean up the corners, get it all ready, make the mounting tabs, and then we'll get it mounted in here. The only problem is it's been raining off and on today, so I don't know how much I'll be able to do, but I'm going to do as much as I can to get it prepped. So if I have to wait till tomorrow, I can do that tomorrow. All right, see you in a few minutes or seconds. All right, what's up everybody? I don't know what day it is, but in whatever's going on, but yesterday I made this new water panel, so I got it mounted in here. I'll show you how I did that in a few minutes, but right now I'm going to be finding out where I'm going to be putting my cold water manibloc. So that's what I'm working on right now, just finding the position. It comes with these mounting clips, like so. So I'm going to mount these on. It shouldn't be that hard. I'm just going to go through, put the other one on, then I have another one for the hot water, which will be somewhere around here, like so, and then I have to do my water inlet, which I'm actually moving, and I'm going to have over here come out this right here, so I just have to drill and mount that. I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take the panel out, reassemble it out, and do my back lines, just so I know what the run is to come out onto that side. And I'm not going to be able to drill the hole down on that for the cold in from the water inlet, just because I can't get to it behind that little lip. So I'm gonna have to take everything out and drill that hole out. So all right, I'm just gonna mount this guy, get that set, and then yeah, I'm gonna take it all apart, take it out, and then we'll finish it up. All right, so I got it out. I'm just gonna mark the spot to drill this hole. Just don't want to mess this up. This water inlet, this is a 1/4" MPT fitting. So the 1/4" goes to a 1/4" fitting. I tried to find a PEX 1/4" MPT to a 3/4. They didn't have it. So unfortunately, what I have to do is I have to go from the 1/4". It's then going to I'm going to use a coupler. It's then going to transition to the 3/4, and then the 3/4 will then connect as my inlet. Yeah, so that's how the way I have to do it. There was just Yeah, no other way. Alright, so I got this marked. I'm going to drill this hole right now. Alright, so this is right here. You can see it comes off, it bends behind. I'm not going to go that deep, obviously. I'm just going to run it right behind. So I'm just going to trim this cut now that I know where to go. I'm obviously going to make a couple, put a coupler in here, and then this quarter inch will finish off and go to the back of that guy. Just going to put a little pipe tape on the end of on the back of this fitting. And here's my coupler for 3/4 to 1/4 inch. So I think I'll do it right around here. It doesn't really matter, I guess, because dry fit. We've only just started. From the front. Don't leave me now. Don't leave me now. Alright. So that's gonna be the back. You can see. Pretty nice. Now I'm just going to crimp everything. Alright, so here is my inlet. So I need a clamp on this end. I need another one because these two. So kind of orientated them. From the end of the pipe, eighth of an inch to 1/4 inch. And obviously on the front, I want these to face me in case I can, so I can get access there. This one, we don't put any pipe thread on per the instructions on the viega that makes this manifold. We have a special tool to tighten it down, and I'll show you that when we get it back inside. This one. Sweet. Alright, we're all set. Now I can put it back in. After lunch. Alright. It is all done. Well, not all done. It's all in. So, the new water inlet right here. So now the water will come down through this access hole along with the electric, as opposed to the old one where it was here in the center and it would come down right next to the poop sewer hose. So that's moved. So this is obviously my hot. Here's my cold. You can see that's what we just did before. I have to tighten this down. This is the special tool. So this will slip over this. hopefully. And then I have to cinch that down. So this is the one for the little guys up here that I'll be putting on. So I'll be doing that, and now I can start connecting everything. So I said before, this will be my bathroom cold, my kitchen sink cold. This will be the hot water heater cold in, and then this will be my cold for the shower. And then the hot water heater will return here, fill this up with hot water, and then this will go to the bathroom. This one will go to my kitchen sink. This will be outdoor shower, and then I have one extra hot that I'll just leave disconnected. So the other good thing is I have labels for these. I'll label them, and I'll be able to use this key to turn them off and on if I ever need to. So yeah, pretty sweet.